Do not just pray for a life partner, but pray for a ministry partner. Pray for a partner that will lead you to Christ. Pray for a partner that will help you with your calling. Pray for a partner that will always pray for you. Pray for a partner that will not just love you, but will also correct and rebuke you. Pray for a partner that loves Christ more than you. Most youth nowadays wanted to enter a relationship kahit hindi pa nila season. Kahit hindi pa sila handa. Kahit wala pang confirmation from the Lord. Kaya in the end, sobrang nasasaktan at nahihirapan. I pray that when God's perfect time in your life comes sa pag-enter ng relationship, you will pray for a man or woman na makakatuwang mo sa calling niyong dalawa para sa Lord. Yung hindi lang goals ang makapag-travel, maka-earn ng maraming pera, makapagpatayo ng bahay at business and more. Pero yung ultimate goal niyong dalawa is to glorify Christ in your relationship, winning souls for Him, making disciples, and pleasing God sa kahit anumang paraan. Let's create a relationship that will set an example to this generation na si Jesus ang solusyon at hindi love life. Actually, bonus na lang si partner. But habang ngayon na naghihintay ka, pray for him/her already na makakasama mo sa ministry kahit anumang mangyari because you both love the Lord. Huwag kang magmamadali. Kaya tayo nagpray kasi kasama na dito ang paghihintay at pagtitiwala sa Panginoon. Hindi ka maubusan ng man and woman of God, marami pa sila. For now, be the right one first, pray, and follow Jesus. Do not be unequally yoked with unbelievers. For what partnership has righteousness with lawlessness? Or what fellowship has light with darkness? 2 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 14.
Make him what you want him to be.